Soundrop for musicians' honest review. Watch before using. If you're a musician looking for a simple, low-cost way to distribute your music to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and TikTok, Soundrop might have caught your attention. But is it the right choice for you? Let's dive into its features, who it's best suited for, and some potential drawbacks so you can make an informed decision before using it. Soundrop stands out in the crowded music distribution market because it caters specifically to independent artists, cover musicians, and creators who want to distribute tracks collaboratively. Its core features include a pay-per-track model, $9.99 per song, with no annual fees, making it a budget-friendly option for those who only release music occasionally. Soundrop also handles the licensing of cover songs, which is a massive plus if your repertoire includes popular tracks. The service automatically secures mechanical licenses for covers in the US, saving you time and legal headaches. Additionally, they offer split royalties, allowing you to share earnings with collaborators seamlessly, a feature ideal for bands or producers working with multiple artists. However, there are limitations you need to know. First, Soundrop's distribution network, while covering all the major platforms, is smaller compared to competitors like DistroKid or TuneCore. If your focus is on niche or international music services, you might find their reach lacking. Second, Soundrop isn't the fastest when it comes to getting your music live. Uploads can take several days to process, which might be an issue if you're working on tight release schedules. Who is Soundrop for? It's perfect for musicians who release a few high-quality tracks each year, cover artists needing simple licensing solutions, and those who prioritize collaboration and shared royalties. If you fall into these categories, Soundrop can save you money and streamline your workflow. However, if you're a prolific artist releasing multiple albums a year or need the widest distribution possible, platforms like DistroKid with unlimited uploads and faster turnaround times might be a better fit. To summarize, Soundrop is an affordable and user-friendly distribution service tailored for independent artists, especially cover musicians and collaborators. But its smaller distribution network and slower processing times mean it's not for everyone. If you're looking for simplicity, cost efficiency, and cover licensing, Soundrop could be a game changer. Otherwise, weigh your options carefully to avoid surprises. Make sure you know your priorities before choosing a distribution service. Your music deserves the right platform.